Hello, everybody. It's Thomas from notionvc.com. I hope you're having a great day. And today I'm super excited to talk about a new Notion template called Capital Navigator, which is in this case dedicated to all the limited partners out there. So, be it family offices, even individual persons, but basically any kind of limited partner business which is investing in VC funds and GPs, this template is made for you. So it's conceived as a simple operating system, which means that it spans the ability to track your personal networks. So be it introducer to deals, be it GPs themselves. It spans a CRM system to obviously track the deal flow of LP opportunities, to track tasks, and a lot more. But let me show you how the template looks like and how it's composed in the template itself. So first of all, just to give you a quick brief or look at how it looks like. So there are several sections which are all visible on one page. So it's set up to be really simple and not too complicated. So first of all, we have the actions, which enable to perform quick actions within the system. So you can add a new fund to your portfolio. You can add a new fund to the deal flow funnel, and you can also add people here. So you can add a person to the deal network. That is the ability to track people who introduce you to opportunities, and you can also add new GPs in the funds that you're tracking. In the navigation section, basically this is a simple way to access all the different views and databases in the template. The tasks, this is pretty simple, but the ability to track and assign tasks to particular LP or GP and VC opportunities that you're tracking. In the GP VC deal flow funnel, this is really kind of like the meat of the template because this is the CRM section which enables you to track your GP opportunities. So let me spend a bit more time here. So the funnel status is essentially a simple visual cue which gives you an overview of how many opportunities you have in the different stages of the funnel. So long listing and prospects, in talks and discovery, and then in due diligence and deal negotiation. Here you can see the leads themselves, and just to give you an idea of what each of these leads contains. So this is really where you can track most of the parameters and track the status and a lot of other things regarding the fund. So going from top to bottom, description, URL, status of where the opportunity is in your funnel, vertical focus, geo focus, fund size, stage where they invest, who's the GP, contact email, then deck, of course, internal owner. So that is who from your organization owns this particular opportunity, source channel, deal source, next steps, required next touch points. So we can also track your scheduled touch points or calls and see them in the calendar view, which I'll get back to. Then, of course, the assigned tasks. And the very lastly, it's a simple rating system. So you can assign different ranking or percentages to three core categories. So the quality of the team, thesis fit, and track record. And this calculates the overall rating. So if I adjust this to, let's say, 50%, this overall rating gets automatically updated. And of course, this being a Notion template, everything is very easily adjustable, including this overall rating calculation and all the parameters that you can see here. Going further, so each um, Opportunity also has the ability to track more notes, documents, etc. So if you use this GP profile template, which hopefully loads, yeah, you can track here the meeting notes, documents, reporting, more tasks, next steps, etc. So this is like a really place to track any further qualitative information about the opportunity. So this page gives you, I think, like a really good way to track all the different parameters, follow-ups, documents, decks, etc., about each opportunity that you have in your funnel. And coming back to this main view, as you can see all the leads here, which are ranked by the overall ranking. So you can see the best ones being on top. And lastly, here you can see the GPVC portfolio. So this is when the lead matures to an actual investment from you. You can just pop it here into the portfolio and track different stuff, of course, and detailed reporting, etc. So this is really like how the template is set up. Maybe just to show you a few more views on this deal flow funnel. So this is a different view on the leads put together in this in this visual where yeah, you can basically track the development over different stages of the opportunities. You also have the look back calendar, which basically plots your follow-ups or scheduled calls on a calendar view, so you can see how busy you will be in the coming month. And yeah, that's roughly it. Maybe one more thing to mention is the people networks. These are simple databases which enable you to track the GPs. So basically, the person who the GP in the specific fund, just to track that as well. And also, the deal network is a simple CRM which enables you to track any potential deal introducers or other people. And you can, of course, create connections between the funds and both the GPs and the deal network introducers. So that is roughly it. As you can see, it's a relatively simple one-page template. So I like to keep everything in one spot. But I think that the CRM is something that's definitely usable and definitely helpful to track the deal flow and track the parameters that are there. So I really do hope this is something that might be helpful for your practice. I would love to hear more from you if you're an LP, family office, or anyone who is considering investing into VC funds. I would love for you to give the template a try, and any feedback or comments would be absolutely appreciated. So head to notionvc.com for a portfolio of templates dedicated both to VCs but also LPs. And yeah, I hope to hear from you, and I hope this product is helpful for you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.